going to open up one of these cheap flashlights like you find on AliExpress. They're actually a pretty good little flashlight for the money. You can get them anywhere from around $2.50 to $3 at the max or so. It's about a soda can type size light, but it's got 5 LEDs on the front that are fairly bright. You got different settings: high, low, and then strobe off on the front. But then you've got a side work light. Side work light is actually pretty decent. Flat bottom like that, you can just set it down and work on an area. There's no magnet or anything in the bottom, but use it for a camping light, that sort of thing. And the battery actually lasts fairly long for as bright as these things are. But I've always just wanted to know what's inside of one. It's pretty simple, but it's so light. It's just a few ounces at the most. So with it as big as it is, but weighing next to nothing, it's all plastic construction. I just wanted to take a look and see what's inside the light itself. So these 5 LEDs, and then the LED bar on the side, for getting these things at around $2.50 on average, it's hard to believe they can make something that cheap and it actually still work and perform pretty well. So just wanted to take a look inside and see what we've got in here, and just get an idea of what battery this runs on. I have no idea what kind of battery is inside of it. As you can see, not much to it, just the reflectors and the LEDs. Trying to see down in there, you can't see very good, but there's a little battery down there in the bottom. There's the control board on the left in here. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can separate this all the way apart without breaking it entirely. See if she comes apart here. Yep. So with all of this, it's just one cell in here. It's a little bit smaller battery. I'm not sure exactly what size this is. Comparing this to a 18650 battery, and then comparing it to a 14. So it might be just a rewrapped generic 14, pretty sure 1440, 1450 cell here. So you can probably replace this, upgrade the cell to get longer run times. I feel sure it's a pretty light little, from the weight of it, compared to this vape cell, this 14450 probably weighs 3 times what the weight of this is that comes in it. So really, if you'd want to upgrade this and get a lot longer runtime out of it, even, you could just solder in higher quality cell. Wouldn't matter if it's flat top, button top, whatever you want. Just tack solder that to these 2 wires and you should be good to go. But really, it's nothing inside these things but just the battery. You can see the light, LED light bar there, and then this control board here. I might try to look that up and see what we got here, but probably something you might not even be able to find online. But think that lists a cob connection there, so pretty simple LED hookup here. So all right, not much to it. Hopefully I put it together and it'll work the same when I'm done with it, but just always wanted to know what's inside of one of these, and it looks like it could be easily upgraded to a better battery if you wanted a longer runtime out of it. So not a bad little light for the money. You could probably possibly make room, as much room inside of here. You might even be able to put a larger cell in there instead of these to upgrade it. So just worth playing with and looking at it. I thought somebody might want to enjoy what it looks like inside. So if you like this, please like and subscribe, and I'll try to post some more of these type of breakdown videos. Thanks for watching.